3, the Kentucky County Clerk who refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples is out of jail tonight. She still won't do it, but the judge let her out after she agreed to not stop her other employees from giving out those licenses. 4 in Your Corner's Warren Wright asking 3 clerks of court across Southwest Florida how things work in their office if some members of the office just don't want to do their job. Warren.
Amy, I reached out to the Charlotte, Lee, and Collier counties. I'm still waiting to hear back from Charlotte. Lee County deputy clerks must follow the law, and the Collier clerk says the same, and sat down with me to explain why.
Collier County Clerk of Courts Dwight Brock tells me the idea of issuing marriage licenses to same-sex couples is pretty cut and dry.
To me, this is not a political issue. This is not a personal issue. This is purely a function of my office, and we're going to do it.
In Kim Davis's case, she still won't issue marriage license, but some of her employees will. So I asked if anyone in the Collier clerk's office has that same kind of option.
Did you do any polling of your employees to see if any of them did not want to issue it?
No, I did not.
He says that's because it's about laws, not employees' personal beliefs.
We're going to comply with the law, however we have to go about doing it. That's just the way it is.
But a number of Brock's fellow Republicans on the national level see it very differently. Presidential candidates from Mike Huckabee to Ted Cruz say it should be the party's mission to defend clerks like Davis in situations where their religious opinions differ from the law. But as an attorney and former state prosecutor, Brock insists it's legal opinions, not personal ones, that matter.
We follow the law. And if we don't, we will end up in chaos. So I will follow the law. That's my philosophy as the clerk in everything that I do.
As I mentioned before, I also checked with the Lee County Clerk of Courts, who tells me they said all deputies issue marriage certificates, no excuses. And again, I'm still waiting for the Charlotte County Clerk to return my call. Warren Wright, Fox 4, in your corner.
All right, thank you, Warren. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about the Collier Clerk Dwight Brock's stance on all of this? And what do you think about the Kentucky Clerk Kim Davis's release from jail? 206 Fox 4, or you can email us news@fox4now.com.